Masa'ul Khair. Hello and welcome back to Arabic Schooling. In our first two episodes, we learned some Arabic letters and how to add short vowels to them. But now, we are going to discover something very important about Arabic writing. The shape of a letter can change depending on where it appears in a word. Today, we are going to learn how to write our four letters at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of a word. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize these different forms and start seeing how Arabic letters connect to build real word. If you are ready, let's start the next step and start writing Arabic. Here are the four letters you learned before. Alif, Ba, Ta, and Tha. Here you can see what you learned yesterday. Ba, Bi, and Boo. Baby Boo. These are the short vowels. Today, we are going to use these letters and we use the short vowels you learned before to connect them together and make a word. Let's see first how the first letter with us, the Ba letter, how can we write it at the beginning of the word? How can we write it in the middle of the word? How can we write it at the end of any word? You write it normally as you write the Ba on the line, but this time you will not close it. Why? Because you start with it and you are going to connect it with something else. So instead of these dots will be nothing. This is how it looks like at the beginning. You make it straight so it connects with the next letter. If you have the same Ba in the middle, you write the same shape, exactly the same shape, to connect after. At the end, you just close it, because there is nothing after to write. It's easy, it's not that difficult. The main letter was closed because there is nothing after, it's just the letter at the end. The one we started with was a Ba, we made it straight because we started the word with. In the middle, it connects after, so we need to make it straight. It will connect before as well, because it is in the middle. At the end, it will connect before, but it will be closed after because it comes at the end of any word you have. The same thing with the Ta. Ta, you write the same T, but you don't close it. In the middle, you write the same Ta, and you don't close it on the left side. And at the end, you just close it because there is nothing after. Same thing with the Tha. You come from right to left for the three dots. In the middle, same three dots, and make it straight to connect after, which means on the left side. And at the end, you close it because it would be the last letter at the word. This is how we write the Ba, Ta, and Tha. Our Alif is something different. Alif, we write it like this. At the beginning, exactly the same. In the middle, exactly the same at the end. The only difference for Alif, it doesn't connect on the left side. You have to leave space. It doesn't connect with the next letter. This is the only difference. The other three letters, Ba, Ta, Tha, they connect from the left. That's why they are straight, ready to connect after. But Alif doesn't connect. So you have to leave space when you write Alif and something after. Let's see an example to show you how the Alif looks like in a word if it connects or it doesn't connect. This is a complete word. They are not just two letters next to each other. It's a complete word. There are two letters, and they make a word. The first letter is an Alif, and that Alif has an A above it, so we pronounce it alone A. The second one is a ba letter and it has U above it. So together it will be bu. If you say them together from right to left, it will be abu. Let's have another example and see how the other letters like ba and ta and tha look like in the word. We will come from right to left. Don't start from left. The first one on the right, it is the tha letter with a, so together it will be tha. The second one in the middle, this is the ba in the middle, and it has a above it. Together it is ba. So the first one on the right is tha. The middle one is ba. Together it is tha, ba. Last one, it's ta letter with an a, so it is ta. So again, the first one on the right, it is tha, then ba, tha, ba, ta. So tha, ba, ta. This is a word. Let's see how it is written next to each other as a word. Tha, then ba. So the tha is connected with the next letter, which is the ba. Ba is connected with the next letter. So this is how the word looks like. Tha, ba, ta. Tha, ba, ta. This is how you read it. Tha, ba, ta. Now it's your turn to try to write the same letters. Write it in that way, like here, and write it all together there, and see how it looks like when you write it with your hand and how it is written here. Let's take another example. If you have this letter and the second one and third one. The first one is an alif with a, so it is a. The second one, it takes also an a with the b, so it is ba. And third one takes an e, so it is t. So the first one on the right, a. The second one is ba. And the third one is a t. If you say them together, it will be a, ba, ti, abati, abati, abati. Let's combine them together now. A, then ba, then ta. A, ba, t. That's wrong. There's a mistake here. Mistake is yes, the alif. Alif doesn't connect on the left side. Alif needs space. So the correct one is a, then leave space, then write ba, then write the ta. That's abati. Same abati like here. But the mistake was there because we connected the alif with the ba. Alif doesn't connect at all on the left side. Together will be a, ta. Don't forget to leave the space. Ta, t, and close it. Atat, atat. So the a has a above it, the alif has a above it, the t has a above it, so it's ata together. Ata. And the last letter doesn't have anything, you just pronounce the letter itself, the T itself. Don't say ta, don't say T, don't say tu, it's just t, atat. So here are the letters in their first position, in the second position, and at the end. Aleph Don't forget not to connect it on the left side. At the end, it will be at the end. There's nothing after. B connects on the left side, and it is at the end. The same with the ta, they connect on the left side, and they are all straight. There are two mistakes here. Can you find out where they are? That's the first mistake. That's the second mistake. The ta at the end, it needs to be closed. The tha at the end has to be closed as well. Why? Because they come at the end. There's nothing else after to connect with. So you need to close them. And that's important. So that's all about the connecting letters in a word. And that's what we will see in the next letters you will learn later. This is the same system that you will use. You will connect letters together. You will make a word. You will pronounce it using the short vowels you had. And it will be much easier when you learn something new. When you learn new letters, I mean. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you find this interesting for you.